Yeah, hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to today's video. So, day before yesterday and yesterday was busy with some another work, so haven't took trades and a few trades has been taken in the mobile, so it's not went good. So, meanwhile, no time to record the videos and all. So today let's discuss about the market analysis firstly, which we took the trades also. So meanwhile, in the first half, meanwhile we discuss about the pre-market analysis. So here in pre-market, you can see this is the Nifty chart, which we took the Snapchat. It is Nifty chart. It is 24,200. You can see the support here, and the trend line was passing from here to here. So yesterday market looks too bearish, like it could open gap down, and the same has been happened today. So let's see the Nifty chart. This is the 24,200, whichever the support I have shown previously. So this is the trend line, and so Nifty open gap down and it's just consolidating here. So there was a gap left here. So try to fill the gap, which was the gap left here by the Nifty. Try to fill, but it's almost filled 50% of this, and another 50% has been left. Might it can be filled or it can be closed like this. So if it even today's there is an intraday wise there is an gap and it's filled completely. So here it's a trend line going on. It's Nifty trying to move up, but there is no good support from the another sectors, like you can see the sectors, there is not much support from sectors. Even finance was 1% down and auto was flat, and meanwhile IT was flat. So even metal just now it came into positive. So this was happening in Nifty. So next we'll go to Bank Nifty, and in the Bank Nifty these are the levels. So let's see the levels firstly. Yeah, here it is. So the major support was 52,800 and the next support was 52,000. So the resistance is 53,300. So even Bank Nifty structure was sideways. It should be some profit booking day for 1 or 2 days. So meanwhile the market open gap down. Here you can see the 52,800 support and 50,000 support and 53,800. So here it's open gap down and it's tried to move up, but there was an resistance. The whichever the support, it's converted into the resistance now. So the market opened here and came down and it's went down. So we'll check the trade logs what we took. So let's go to Dani orders. So this is the Dani account, you can see. So here if we see the trade which we took here, it's in Bank Nifty around 9:38 we took the trade, and the spot was 52,300 put. Let's see the 52,300 put. 52,300 put in this candle. I think at what time I told the timestamp was around 9:38. So here in this candle, I think 9:38, 30, 32, 35, and 32, 30, 35, yeah, 38. In this somewhere in this candle, we took the trade, and it was put side trade. You can see it's completely a bearish trade. So strike was 52,300. Now let's see 52,300, 52,300 put. So here it is. If you see the 52,300 put somewhere here, we took the trade in the morning. So what happened? It got hit the stop loss. It got hit the stop loss around in this candle. We took 9:38. We took, and immediately it came down and hit the stop loss. So logic was here you can see the Nifty came down. So here we used to take the trade, but meanwhile we are in these things. So we are observing the stocks and the movement in the stocks. So we haven't monitored the both. So here the low was broken and immediately it came down. This is an good setup after the back-to-back candles of bearish. This makes the good move. So here in this candle we took the trade. As you can see the Nifty, the Bank Nifty, sorry, in Bank Nifty the market one way it came down, and there was a pullback and it come down to till 52,000. So in this logic we took the trade, but it haven't came, and it took support again days low. So it bounced back and it came down and it went up. This is what happened in Bank Nifty. So this is the price action which I shown here, the arrows. So later I think here we just closed the trade, and the points we just lost in this trade was 12 points. Then later you can see we increased the quantity. Now you can see it is 120. So previously we used to trade with 60 and we just increased the quantity, and we just decreased the trades. So here it is some 27 points I think we just lost in this trade, and later again we took the trade at 944 in the same strike, and 944, 944 22 300 put, 944 22 300 put. Here we took the trade in this candle. So this is the trade we took, and 944, yeah, and we closed it at around Around we closed it 952. So in this candle we closed the trade because we haven't took bigger target, because what happened, already we are in few points of loss, around 26 27 point loss. So market is not trying to move much. You can see here the logic is like it's not moving much, so it just came down and is trying to reverse. So what I did, I just closed the trade here. It is almost a 1 to 1, and here we just placed this trailing stop loss, and it got hit, and it got hit in this candle somewhere here. So in this pullback, the same candle, and it went up. So we just covered the loss whichever we got in this candle, in this previous trade, this candle. So we covered with this, and we just booked some 33 points here itself. You can see 407 minus 374, 33 points in this trade. Later again we took 50 to 300 call. So let's see, 50 to 300 call, 50 to 300 call, 50 to 300 call. So in 50 to 300 call, we took the trade around here it is, yeah, took the trade around 1034. Yeah, 1034 we took the trade at 415, and we just closed with in 446. It's not much, it's just around some 1 is to 2 like that. So because we took this trade call side, and the logic is like market moving up, so we haven't expected that it should give some 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5 like that, because it can be a good pullback. Whichever the market came from here and it came down, and this is the pullback, and it should fall down, but it haven't fell down. So here it took the support, and this support can be considered as double bottom. So it's went up, and this is the pullback. So here we just somewhere here we close, we somewhere here I think we, yeah, somewhere here we took the trade. Let's see the timestamp, I think. So it's around 1034. 1034 here it is the candle, I think. 1034. Yeah, in this candle somewhere we took the trade, and we just closed the trade here. Immediately we close this trade. So we haven't took the trade in this consolidation, because you can see the market came down in one way, and it went up, and it came down, and again it went up. So this is an consolidation zone. So we haven't took much trades, because already we are in loss of in this pullback. So later again we just covered it. So we haven't took, let market come out. In meanwhile, in the same time you can see the Nifty also in the sideways zone. See, you can see this in the same time Nifty also in sideways zone. So later here we took the trade, and in this trade of 50 to 300 call, we just booked some 1 is to 2. Here you can see the 1 is to 2. So at what time we just closed the trade? At 10:48 we just closed it. Within 10 minutes we just captured the move in this candle immediately. So here somewhere here in this candle we just closed the trade. So meanwhile, here we just booked some 31 points in this trade. I think here somewhere here 31 here with somewhere here we just booked 31 points. Yeah, 10:34 we took the trade, and 10:38 we closed the trade. Again at 10:48 we took the trade. So 10:48, and the strike price was 50 to 400 call. Let's see, 50 to 400 call. 50 to 400 call. Bank Nifty 50 to 400 call. Yeah, yeah, here it is. So you can see we just took the trade around some 10:48. 10:48 somewhere here we just took the trade, around 450 we took the trade. Yeah, in this candle somewhere here we just entered, and within the next two candles the target got hit, and it is almost same 1 is to 2. So we are just capturing 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 3. You can see the market was sideways. So if you go with some 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, and 1 is to 5, those type of logics, it won't happen, and the stop loss will get into hit. So we just booked, and we just closed. You can see from here it came reversal, and it came nearly cost to cost, and it hit the SL and everything it did later on. So we haven't took much points. So we just closed with some 47 points in this trade. With 450 we just took, and some 497 exited. So in first of the till here, first of we are in the profit of some 100 points. You can calculate the points in these trades. So then later in these four trades, there are some 100 points something we are in green. So later we took the trade with the logic like market is moving down. So in this candle, there is a consolidation from here itself. So we captured these both two candles. So later it getting rejection. You can see the sellers are activating in the second candle itself. So it can come down in the one way like it happened in the morning. So but it's not going to come down because Nifty is bullish. If we see the Nifty is bullish, so what's happening? If the Nifty is bullish, then bank Nifty won't come down immediately. So Nifty it's trending in one way, so bank Nifty is not moving much. So later on what happened, HDFC, if you see the weightages of HDFC, you can see completely HDFC, it's opened gap down of around some 2% and it fell some 2%, and it's now trading in negative, and it completely sideways from 1032 till now. It's completely sideways. So you can see the HDFC, the overall it lost negative of 4.5%. So in this trade, we just lost some 14 points, and the logic was like the BankNifty is trying to break this, and we haven't took trade here on the confirmation. We tried to take the trade. So whichever the candles formed here, the both two candles, and the same is forming here. So we took the trade here, and again it given the pullback. In this pullback, the stop loss has been taken. It's just 14 points. So again it's coming down. So we just close the trade, and let's see the 50 to 600 put. Let's see the 50 to 600 put. 50 to 600 put. No, yeah, this is the thing. So here you can see we just took some 14 points. You can see the below stop 14.80. Here we just took the trade, and it got hit the stop loss and we closed the trade. So now Bank Nifty coming down. Let's analyze this bit. Let's analyze the Bank Nifty and Nifty firstly. So here you can see what's happening in Nifty. Like Nifty came down and it went up, and it came down and it went up. So the double bottom has been formed here. Somewhere here the double bottom has been formed, and again it's given some pullback and it's given a good breakout. So again it came down till the box breakout candle. This is the price action, and it came up, went up, and it took the support here itself. Here it took the support and the high of the previous swing. So from here it went up, and again here it came down. Somewhere here it went up, and again it came down, and it took same support. So it broken the low. This low has been broken. This low has been taken out in this candle. So whichever the stop losses has been placed here, the stop losses will be hunted by this candle. So again, they try to move up, and upon this candle, the swing low, the next candle of swing low, it took the support, it moving up. So here it should go up like this, and it should take the high of this swing or this swing, but it's not happened, and it's taking resistance in these lows. So it's taking resistance here. So here you can see this is the resistance whichever the Nifty is calculating. So from here, if it comes down, this low to be taken. Once the low has been taken, then again there will be some consolidation here. So if it breaks like this, so again it will move up and it will come down like this. So if this won't happen, if we take support here somewhere here itself, like here it's trading, if we take support here, and the if we try to move and this height to be taken, if the height take if the height taken out, and there will be something like this, and again this will move, and there's a trend line, you can see it's passing, it could be a breakout. This is can happen. If the both won't happen, it will be sideways. There should be some confirmation, like there should be a swing, the swing should be broken at the lower side or upper side. Upon the basis, you can put small stop loss and you can try to take bit risk. The same thing is happening in the Bank Nifty also. So I just explained this. The pullback, and again it came down. So again it went up. It's consolidation zone everywhere. So it's given the breakout here, and it's bit retest, you can say. From here somewhere it went up. So again, since from here everywhere it's a consolidation in a box, then it's given a breakout here. So you can see it went up and it came down, and it took support here itself. So it should come till here, but here it took support. Sometimes it happens, it will miss some 10 to 15 points. Again it went up and it took resistance whichever the previous swing, and it came down and it went up. So it's in sideways zone. This is a sideways zone, but Nifty is not in sideways zone. Nifty is moving here from here. So here it's just taken out the low of the previous swing, and it went up, and this is the resistance this is taking resistance here, and it came down. So if the low breaks, and it could come here, and it could retest like this, and it can be a downfall till 52,000 we can expect. If it won't happen, the same thing again from here, it will take double bottom support, like here W pattern, those all. So it will break this, and it will retest this, and it will move up, or it can consolidate till some time. You can see the box can be extended, it can be consolidated if it goes into the box again. So let's see how, if the low breaks, if it can come down. But here there is another consolidation zone. If it enters in this zone, it could consolidate here, or it can break in a single candle. This is the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty coming up. So act accordingly based on the price action. So firstly, learn the price action, how the market is moving, and the structure of the market. So after learning that, you can take trades based on your risk reward and trade setup. Okay. Let's see trades. So we are monitoring RBL Bank and Larus Lab as you can see sectorial wise the pharma is in good green today. So based on that, we just try to take some trades in this both stocks, but it not happened because we are in execution of Bank Nifty. So this is what can happen going on. Let's see if the market is bullish, you can say it should be traded above 50 to 800, and there was another consolidation zone of some around some 500 points, then later it can move up. So there could be some profit booking here in this level, then later it can move up again. So overall we just made the profit of some around some 82 points here. So everything you can see it's in Bank Nifty completely. So this is what the trade we just lost in previous closing. So sometimes it happens. uh, Take care. We'll close here itself by today. uh, Happy weekend. Bye bye.